of up to 120 meters in length.
Ja ranta.
14 kilometers from the center of Athens, you will find the Olympicon's rejuvenated coastal front. Standing tall amongst it all, you will see the Riviera Tower. Greece's tallest building is interwoven with greenery, combining the best in modern architecture and future-forward sustainability. Meticulously designed, the tower provides a one-of-a-kind living experience for every single one of its residents. Straight ahead, you'll see the 1 kilometer long beach that has been made available for everyone to enjoy. There's something here for all of us. Mesmerizing views of landmark buildings and the open sea, water sports, and lots of space to simply relax under the warm sun. A luxury resort and branded residences also offer exclusive seaside experiences all year round. Easily accessible, the beach is just a short step away from the park thanks to the Olympicon's pedestrian access. Come to the Olympicon's state-of-the-art residential developments, combining a prosperous future with a rich past. Residents can enjoy the fruits of city living while taking in the fresh sea air and enjoying the spectacular views of the crystal clear water nearby. A one-of-a-kind place to live, this coastal community will usher in a new wave of urban living that will inspire cities around the world. Sets, you can see that there are always exciting moments along the coastline. A brand new promenade runs adjacent to the sea, allowing pedestrians and cyclists to move freely without the interruption of cars, highlighting the seamless flow of the Olympic. Once again, we see the Riviera Tower, the largest jewel in the crown of the rejuvenated coastal front, lighting up the sky every single night. The marina is always buzzing with activity. It is lined with exclusive boutiques full of collections from renowned designers, restaurants that exemplify the very best in Mediterranean cuisine, and bars that immerse all who visit the cosmopolitan lifestyle of the Riviera, all of which can be found at Riviera Galleria, which we will see as we dock into the marina. For our visiting friends, this area is also where you'll find the Riviera's luxury lifestyle hotel, giving guests a glamorous stay right on the coastline. We have now concluded our tour of the Riviera, Greece's new home of entertainment, shopping, and gastronomy. Thank you for traveling with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.